older. Just do it every day and you'll live to be 100 years old. Do you believe that aging means giving up an active and energetic life? Is it possible, even over the years, to stay healthy, productive, and inspiring? What if the answer lies in simple habits, often ignored by most people? Dr. James Chen, a renowned 92-year-old physician, proves that longevity and vitality need not be incompatible. Actively working in his Boston practice, he sees patients who have relied on his approach for decades. What makes it an example of health are not magic formulas or complex solutions, but the daily practice of simple and effective care that transforms lives. Over more than 65 years of practice, Dr. Chen has discovered that taking care of often neglected body parts can be the secret to a long and healthy life. It combines modern science with ancient wisdom, showing that health is a balance between technical knowledge and attention to one's own body's signals. In this text, you will discover how simple daily actions, such as taking care of your feet and armpits, can bring surprising benefits to your health. Additionally, we'll explore how avoiding common mistakes after 60 can preserve your energy, strengthen your family bonds, and ensure a fuller life. Get ready to learn, be inspired, and apply the secrets that can transform your life. Let's get started. The secret of Dr. James Chen's longevity. Dr. James Chen's active routine at 92. Dr. James Chen is living proof that aging doesn't have to be an obstacle to an active life. At the age of 92, he continues to practice his profession, serving patients in the heart of Boston. To many, this dedication would be surprising, but to Dr. Chen, it's just the result of a well-planned life. His routine starts early, with simple self-care practices, which he considers the pillar of his longevity. He believes that small actions taken consistently have a cumulative and powerful impact. Dr. Chen keeps his mind active by reading medical articles and participating in scientific events. Additionally, he values interaction with his patients, which keep him engaged and motivated. According to him, the secret to staying active is not only in avoiding a sedentary lifestyle, but in finding purpose in each day. The simple habits that sustain a long and healthy life. Dr. Chen argues that the basis for a long life is not complex. It resides in basic habits, such as a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and regular body care. He emphasizes that people often neglect the small daily actions that can prevent disease. For him, the secret is to turn healthcare into an automatic routine. He points out that, contrary to what many people think, taking care of your health doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Daily walks, hydration, and attention to the body's signals are examples that he always cites. These simple habits, he says, ensure that both the body and mind remain strong as time goes on. The combination of modern science and ancient wisdom in healthcare of Cardiovascular. Chen's greatest differentials is his ability to unite modern science with ancestral wisdom. He does not believe in miracle solutions, but rather in the balance between what science proves and what ancient traditions have practiced for centuries. For example, he applies principles of Western medicine while valuing Eastern practices such as massage therapy and meditation. For him, scientific knowledge should be used to validate and improve practices that have already shown effectiveness over time. By combining these approaches, he is able to offer complete solutions to his patients. He says this fusion is especially powerful for preventing problems before they become critical. The result is a holistic approach that not only treats, but promotes health and longevity. Essential foot care for a long and healthy life. Why can your feet be the key to a long and active life? The feet, often overlooked, are the foundation of the body and play a crucial role in overall health. Dr. James Chen points out that health starts with the feet, which support all body weight and directly influence posture and circulation. He believes that taking care of his feet is not just a matter of aesthetics, but of functionality and longevity. Recent research from Harvard Medical School supports this view, showing that regular foot care can reduce cardiovascular problems by up to 35% in people over the age of 60. When the feet are healthy, the body as a whole works better, allowing for more mobility and energy. Dr. Chen compares feet to the roots of a tree. When properly cared for, they support the growth and vigor of the rest of the body, the connection between daily foot care and heart health. Daily foot care goes beyond avoiding pain or calluses. It is directly linked to the health of the circulatory system, especially in older people. Efficient blood circulation starts in the extremities and spreads throughout the body. Dr. Chen explains that simple practices, such as massages and specific exercises, help stimulate blood flow and prevent problems such as varicose veins and thrombosis. He also emphasizes that neglected feet can become a warning sign for serious illnesses such as diabetes or heart problems. Therefore, he recommends that his patients be aware of changes such as swelling, excessive dryness, or altered sensitivity. Dr. Chen's simple tips for healthy, vitality-filled feet. Dr. Chen suggests a care routine that can be done in a few minutes a day. Start with a warm water bath to relax your feet and improve circulation. Use a mild soap to wash between your fingers, preventing moisture buildup that can lead to infections. After washing, dry your feet thoroughly, especially between your toes, to avoid problems such as fungus. Massage is the most important step, according to Dr. Chen. Using your thumbs, gently press down on the balls of your feet, moving from the center to your heels. This technique, in addition to being relaxing, activates points that can improve circulation and relieve tension. Real stories of people who have improved their health with small changes. A striking example shared by Dr. Chen is the case of John, a patient who suffered from insomnia and chronic tiredness. Upon examining John, Dr. Chen noticed that his feet were constantly cold, indicating poor circulation. He prescribed a simple foot care routine, including massages and the application of moisturizing creams. 3 months later, John reported a significant improvement in energy and sleep, attributing these changes to foot care. Another case is that of Margaret, a 78-year-old lady who faced pain that limited her mobility. Following Dr. Chen's directions, she began taking care of her feet on a daily basis, and within a few weeks, she was back to walking without difficulty, becoming the leader of a hiking group in her community. The secrets of the right tools to take care of your feet like an expert. Dr. Chen recommends using simple but quality tools to maximize the benefits of foot care. Soft brushes help in exfoliation without harming the skin. Specific moisturizing creams for feet prevent cracking and dryness. He also suggests wearing comfortable orthopedic shoes to protect your feet during the day. Another important item is a non-slip mat in the bathroom, which prevents accidents during the care routine. These details make all the difference in preventing problems and maintaining healthy feet. The importance of armpit care for integrated health. How your armpits can impact your detoxification system. The armpits, often seen only as an area for personal hygiene, play a much more significant role in the overall health of the body. Dr. James Chen emphasizes that the armpits are one of the main detoxification centers of the body due to the presence of lymph nodes that filter toxins. Taking proper care of this area not only improves hygiene, but also promotes a more efficient lymphatic system. Research from the Stanford Medical Center points out that adequate lymphatic flow can reduce the body's toxic load by 40%. With this, the body gains more energy to fight external threats and maintain a healthy balance. Neglecting armpit care can compromise this process and weaken the immune system. The link between healthy armpits and a strong immune system. Dr. Chen explains that armpit health is directly connected to immunity. Healthy lymph nodes in the armpits help fight infections and process toxins, strengthening the body's defenses. He points out that problems such as frequent infections or excessive tiredness can be signs of lymphatic dysfunction. Keeping the area clean, well cared for, and free of harsh chemicals can make a big difference in strengthening the immune system. He also recommends lymphatic massages as a way to activate the lymph nodes and improve fluid flow in the body. Easy routines that optimize lymphatic flow and energy. Dr. Chen suggests daily armpit care in 3 simple steps. First, gently clean with fragrance-free soap, moving in circles to stimulate the lymph nodes. Then, dry the area thoroughly to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. Finally, opt for natural deodorants, avoiding aluminum-based products that can block lymphatic channels. In addition to these steps, he recommends a light, upward massage from the armpit to the collarbone to optimize lymphatic flow and reduce tension in the area. The surprising connection between armpit care and your heart health. Lymphatic flow plays a crucial role in the body's overall circulation, including cardiovascular health. Dr. Chen explains that neglected armpits can accumulate toxins and overload the lymphatic system, which impacts the efficiency of the circulatory system. On the other hand, regular care improves circulation in the upper body, helping to keep the heart healthy. He reinforces that simple practices such as a cleansing and massage routine can prevent major problems and promote longevity. Real cases of improved health with simple changes in care. One of Dr. Chen's favorite cases is that of Helen, a 70-year-old patient who suffered from frequent respiratory infections. After implementing an armpit care routine, including massages and the use of natural deodorants, Helen noticed a significant improvement in her overall health. She reported fewer flu episodes and a renewed energy to carry out her daily activities. Another example is that of Robert, a 68-year-old man who lived with pain in his shoulders and constant tiredness. With Dr. Chen's guidance, he began to take better care of his armpits and incorporated lymphatic massages into his routine. Within a few weeks, Robert noticed less tension in his shoulders and an increase in mood. The power to avoid mistakes and make conscious decisions after 60 years. Learn to say no and regain your energy and emotional well-being. Over the years, many people develop the habit of accepting more responsibility than they should, either out of courtesy or fear of rejection. Dr. James Chen reinforces that learning to say no is essential to preserving your emotional and physical health. He cites the example of Lao Shen, a patient who, while trying to please everyone, ended up emotionally overloaded and even suffered a financial blow. Saying no is not an act of selfishness, but of self-preservation. Setting clear boundaries helps maintain healthy relationships and reduces stress by allowing you to focus your energy on what really matters. Why too much optimism can damage your relationships. Optimism is a valuable quality, but Dr. Chen warns that too much can lead to poor decisions. He explains that by ignoring problems or blindly trusting that things will get better, many people end up putting themselves in harmful situations. Abusive relationships, for example, can be perpetuated when someone insists on believing that the other person will change without mutual effort. The balance lies in maintaining a positive outlook, but with the ability to recognize and act on harmful behaviors. The art of choosing friends who elevate your quality of life. With age, social circle becomes more important for mental and emotional health. Dr. Chen advises valuing friendships that bring joy, support, and authenticity. He reinforces the importance of avoiding toxic people or relationships that suck your energy. Quality friends are those who contribute to a positive environment and respect their boundaries. Choosing these companies makes all the difference in building a happier and fuller life. How to ensure financial stability and peace of mind in old age. Financial stability is one of the pillars of a peaceful old age, according to Dr. Chen. He emphasizes that financial planning is key to avoiding concerns that affect emotional and physical health. Saving, investing wisely, and avoiding unnecessary expenses are practices that ensure security and independence. In addition, he recommends setting aside funds for medical care, which may be indispensable as you age. This planning reduces anxiety and allows you to fully enjoy this phase of life. Self-care as the greatest gift you can give yourself. Dr. Chen believes that longevity is directly linked to how we treat ourselves. Self-care includes healthy eating, regular exercise, and time for relaxation. He reinforces that by prioritizing your own health, you not only live longer, but live better. Taking care of yourself is an investment that benefits not only you, but also those around you, by allowing you to stay active and available. Strengthen your family bonds with patience and understanding. Family relationships can become strained over the years, especially when there are differences of opinion. Dr. Chen advises that patience and empathy are the foundations of these relationships. He points out that by avoiding excessive criticism and valuing moments of union, family ties are strengthened. This approach creates a more harmonious environment where everyone feels respected and supported. Take care of yourself without overdoing your concerns for others. Dr. Chen frequently warns about the impact of excessive worries on children and grandchildren. He believes that while it's natural to care for loved ones, it's important to strike a balance. Allow your descendants to make their own decisions and learn from life's challenges. This approach not only strengthens their own mental health, but also promotes their autonomy. Your role as an example of health and balance is one of the greatest contributions you can make to your family. Aging with health, energy, and happiness is not a privilege reserved for a few, but a choice that can be made every day. As Dr. James Chen has shown, the secret lies in small, consistent actions that, over time, build a solid foundation for a long and meaningful life. Taking care of your feet and armpits may seem simple, but it is just the beginning of a holistic approach to your health. Avoiding common mistakes, such as neglecting your emotional needs or giving up healthy boundaries, can transform your quality of life. Now is the time to put what you've learned into practice and take control of your journey. Remember that it is never too late to adopt new habits and make conscious choices that lead you to a full and fulfilled existence. Be an example of vitality to those around you. Inspire your family and friends with your determination and balance. Take care of yourself, respect your body and mind, and embrace each day as an opportunity to live better. After all, longevity is not just about how many years you live, but about how you live each of them.